Assume we have a value of a car model by the formula V equals 16,000 E to the power of minus KT plus A. V is the value of car in pounds and T is the age of car in years. In part A, we found that A equaled 1,500, and in part B, we showed that K equaled ln 2 over root 3. For part C now, we need to find the age of the car in years when the value of the car is £6,000, and we need to give our answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we're going to start off with our formula. So we know that V is 6,000. Start with that on the left-hand side, and we're going to substitute in everything else that we know. 16,000 doesn't change. We've got E to the minus KT. Okay, we now know what K is. K is ln 2 over root 3. So I'm going to put it minus T and then ln 2 over root 3. And then plus A, which is 1,500. Okay, so that is what we are going to work with. Most obvious thing to do is to subtract the 1,500. So we've got 4,500. And 16,000 E to the minus T ln 2 over root 3. Next thing we can do is we can divide by the 16,000. That'll just leave us with the E term on the right and a number on the left. So if I do that, leave it as a fraction, because remember, when we're working in terms of E or ln, it's very likely that we're going to end up doing stuff to the fraction. So we've got 9 over 32 on the left-hand side. And E to the minus T ln 2 over root 3. Right, we need to do a little bit of manipulation, because the E to the ln will actually effectively cancel out, leaving just the power left as the term that we're going to work with. But before we do that, we're going to use the laws of logs and bring the minus T up as a power of 2 over root 3. Nothing changes on the left-hand side. So we have that there. Now that allows us to, as I say, effectively cancel out the E to the ln. So we have 9 over 32. And that now equals 2 over root 3 to the power of minus T. Okay, so remember, when we're trying to solve for a power, we can use logs. I'm going to use natural logs because we've used natural logs already. So I'm going to take natural log of both sides. Okay. Next step now, bring that minus T back down. And we have ln 9 over 32 equals minus T ln 2 over root 3. Okay. Now we're in a situation where we can actually solve for T, because we can end up with T equals ln 9 over 32 divided by minus ln 2 over root 3. So bring the minus on the outside. We have ln 9 over 32 all over that, and I'll put brackets around it all because that's what we put in our calculator. Pop all that into your calculator and you'll get an answer of 8.82 years. And that's your answer.